Welcome back, everybody, and this is part two. And I told you we were going to start off with doing build out, and I wanted to start with the CRM because I figured a lot of people need CRMs to keep track of their clients. Some people use Google Sheets, some people use like HubSpot, other different paid CRMs, but maybe you just want your own and keep track of all your own data and whatnot. So that's what we're going to do right here. We're going to build a simple CRM that will get information from a form and a webhook that we create either with make.com or NAN. I'm actually going to do both because I know in our community we use both. So I'm going to do actually a NAN build and I'm going to do a make.com build in here. So let's begin. First, I started off with my prompt for ChatGPT, and I'm using 4.1 mini. Don't ask me why. I just like using this one because it's new, it's pretty fast, and it doesn't use a lot of tokens. So I said, you are a professional Bolt.new prompt writer. Your task will help me create an application with a tech stack and React. Use style components for a nice UI. I need a basic CRM that will get leads from a filled out form with and the data will be going to a webhook. Sorry about that. I'll be using make.com or NAN for the form and to push the data to the CRM. The fields is that I need is the contact information and the budget. We're going to keep it pretty simple. We're going to let ChatGPT build this out and let's just see what it comes out with. Show you the name. Give me a more detailed prompt and don't forget the tech stack. We want to keep there we go. We want to keep it to think, hey, don't forget our tech stack because that's big. We know this other stuff is needed. Phone number, email, address. I think that should be good. Yeah. Do add the type also. Yeah, add lead type. Yeah, I need lateral move for me. Yeah, I'm in there. I'm in the building, bruh. Got it. So let's see here. So now let's see here. Dun, dun, dun. Lead type. Code string. No, that's not the lead type. Lead type as in where it came from. Referral. Oh my goodness. Referral. Site. Uh, see what it gives me back. You just gotta tweak this a little bit. Make sure you get what you need. Okay, now give me the prompt for both. Okay, now we're gonna go back to Bolt. And if you don't have an account, you want to create an account. And it takes like 5 seconds. You can, especially if you got a Google account, you can just create that with Google account. But I'm just gonna paste that in here, and I'm gonna delete this bottom part. It's not needed. And you can also remove that top part because it's not needed. So now that everything's all set, you got your prompt in here, everything's good. We know what we're building. We could just hit this play. Another thing that you want to do, if you already have your, say your make.com webhook, you can just throw that in here, which like I was telling you, it's always better to do that. So actually, let me pull makeup. And already had it here. I was kind of messing with something, but we're gonna go do something else real quick. And this is gonna be our lead. I mean, our lead, our CRM mail hook. Copy this address here. Add that there. Change this from web hook to mail hook. So now, whenever that goes through and it's filled out, actually no, that's not right. I'm not going to do the webhook right now, a hook or anything like that. I'm actually going to remove that, but you should do that. But just for the purpose of that, I just kind of want to see how this is going to build out, and then we go from there. So it has everything that we asked it for. Here's our prompt, and it shows all our requirements. Our back end is not really needed right now until we can get the front end taken care of, make sure everything's functioning how it's supposed to function. Because this is basically like MVP, especially if you're going to be using it. You're going to want it to work correctly. So I'm going to pause this video here and wait for this to finish out. Then I'll come back